It's a new day. It's new blessings. We give all praise to the Most High, man. Let's get it. And we did it, y'all. We passed our first EVAL this year. Um, Passed this 50K count real quick, and today we made. If it lets me show me, we made $942 trading the non-stock futures today. But before we get started on the trade recap, I want to do verse of the day, and I led Bible study for my group yesterday since the guy who usually leads Bible study wasn't able to be there because he's doing something with the church regarding camp, and so he's leading that. But yesterday we were in the book of Matthew, so I want to go over, and I'll pull it up right now. Matthew chapter 24, verse 14. And this is our promise, this is our commandment that all believers should be doing. And this is Jesus speaking too. He says, and this gospel of the kingdom will be preached in the whole world as a testimony to all nations, and then the end will come. So as believers, as followers of Yah, of the Most High, it's very important that we take this to heart. We take this mission to heart and making sure we're sowing seeds, we're spreading the gospel across all nations. It's the Great Commission. It's what we're all called to do. But let's get started on the trade recap. So, as y'all know, start off on the economic calendar. It is Thursday, June 11th, 2026, and we had Red Folder News today. So on a Thursday, y'all know those are like very high probable conditions today. And so yesterday we didn't really do much besides fail to sweep these lows, and we create a higher time frame bullish sequential SMT on the weekly cycle with Q2 and Q3, which is really accumulated. So I expected today to manipulate regarding the weekly cycle. And honestly, like I'm telling you, bro, this whole week we're gonna accumulate, bro. We're just gonna play ping pong basically the whole time. But going into the market today, we had an AMDS model, so I wanted to see manipulation before taking any trade. And at first, at open, bro, when price failed to sweep, filling this opening range gap and create this 90-minute cycle bullish candle, I want to take my entry there. But as y'all can see right here, bro, the RR was invalid, bro. So there was no point in me taking it. I'm not gonna disrespect my system by forcing a setup, and so I didn't take it just because the risk wasn't worth it. It wasn't aligned, so we missed out on that trade. Then, as soon as we swept London highs, we traded into a higher time frame PD array above all true opens. We did form a two-stage sequential SMT model with a 90-minute cycle with Q2, Q3, and a daily cycle with Q2 and Q3. And I'm gonna give y'all a little game regarding cycles. So whenever you have situations like this, where the high time frame cycle and the lower time frame cycle are in sync regarding, because look, we're in Q2. It started on Q2 right here. Then it got confirmed Q3 right there. Then when we look at the 90-minute cycle, we have it conform right there and conform right there, Q2, Q3. When both of those are in sync, it's very high probability that price will react very well off it. So after that was formed, we then created TCISD, which is our change in the state, which was our entry model right there. We got the change in the state. I took my entry right here for sales. Then I got off right there for buys. So, and as y'all know, only like 360 ticks to pass the account. I entered right there, move my break even to the ATM, which was the confirmation below this fair value gap. Because I want to see how price was gonna react. Because as well as this, our manipulation leg. So we're expecting 10 a.m. to distribute either bearishly or bullishly, which I don't think. Maybe we'll see previous day's highs. We'll distribute up higher. I just want to see how, because right now price is respecting this 15-minute gap. But I got my execution quick and fast, executed on it. And yeah, bro, I can't complain on it. And that's pretty much it for the trade recap. Tomorrow I'm not gonna trade because it's not a bad day. Well, Fridays are hit or miss, bro. It could either be really good price action or really bad. But I'm going to school tomorrow, so that's pretty much it. And the goal with this EVA account, I really need to sit down and just write down like, obviously I'm not gonna be trading with 10 micros. Continue to probably trade with 5 micros, and just focus on high probability setups regarding the economic calendar. Meaning that I'm only gonna take trades on red folder news, which is FOMC. Like next week looks pretty bad besides Thursday and Wednesday, but besides that, like ain't nothing to do. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and remember to continue to be proper stewards to the time the Lord has given y'all.